Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the 1.17 snapshot for Minecraft Java edition. And as you guys can see over here, we have the copper block, the copper ingot and everything that comes with. And we also have the candle block. And so this is complete proof that this is in fact the Minecraft 1.17 snapshot. And yeah guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to download it. And firstly, what you need to do is head into the Minecraft Java edition launcher and I'll catch you guys over there. Alright guys, now that we are in the Minecraft launcher, you'll be on the latest release version 1.16.4 by default, and what you need to do is click on this arrow and you'll see the latest snapshot. However, if you're unable to see this, what you need to do is click on installations, and then over here you need to enable snapshots, and after you go ahead and enable snapshots, click on new, and then over here select version, and then you'll see the latest snapshot. And after that, so the video is not yet done guys, so there is still some more things that we need to do, and after that we'll have the Minecraft 1.17 snapshot, which is going to be amazing because there are a ton of new things added. So now I'm just going to go ahead and click on play. So latest snapshot, as you guys can see, so now let it just load up, and once Minecraft loads up, I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, now that we're back in Minecraft, you'll see that Minecraft 20W45A snapshot. So this is the latest snapshot for Minecraft 1.17. And yeah, so after this, what you need to do is just create a new world because the old worlds won't work with the snapshot. You may not get the features or your world might get corrupted. So this is the 1.17 world that I created in the latest snapshot. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys that this in fact is the same world, and you can go ahead and try this for yourself for proof. Just in case you think I'm using a mod or whatever, you can go ahead and try this for yourself and it completely works, as you guys can see. So these are some of the things we have a ton of different new things, but of course I'm not going to be able to cover them in this video because it's a tutorial. So as you guys can see, so the copper lightning rod, and I think one more thing is the telescope, which we remember. Yep. Okay, the telescope isn't here, but the amethyst crystals are over here, as you guys can see. So the amethyst shard, block of amethyst, and all of that. Anyway, guys, so I'll leave all of that for you guys to explore. You can go ahead and do that, and yeah. And in the meantime, go ahead and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Now, see ya.